Hello everybody, welcome back to Alfie's videos. Today I am at Treforest on the South Wales Valley line. So here at Treforest you're going to be seeing services by Transport for Wales only. Going to be having some fast trains through here as you saw in the first clip. Here was a good clip, wasn't expecting train coming through after 143,624 and 152,17 departing. Like, I wasn't expecting that at all. That way is towards Cardiff, that way is towards Pontypridd, Aberdare, Merthyr Tydfil and Treforest. Passing through now is a Transport for Wales service from Penarth to Merthyr Tydfil. Of the 254. And 142083. So I am currently talking with the one and only South Coast level crossings. So without further ado, let's see what's coming up on here, shall we? Let's get started here at Treforest. Okay, arriving in now is 150,217 and 150 and 143,624 coming back on a service from Pontypridd to Romney. Okay, departing now, it's 152.17 and 143.624 on a Transport for Wales service from Pontypridd to Romney. Pontypridd to Barry Island.
That turned into the A48M just past.
Okay, arriving in now is the 1146 Transport for Wales service from Barry Island to Pontypridd. 152.59.
Luggage left unattended may be removed without warning or damaged or destroyed by the security services.
Catch on departure. Okay, departing now is the 1146 Transport for Wales service from Barry Island to Pontypridd, 52.59. Okay, passing through now is the Transport for Wales service from Merthyr Tydfil to Penarth. Great two-tone. Up to 253. Up to 253 and 143,614 to Penarth. Okay, passing through now is a Transport for Wales service from College Central to Herbert. 2080. Okay, passing through now is the Transport for Wales service from Penarth to Aberdare. 152.64. scare. Okay, arriving in now is 142,083 and 152.59 again on a service from. Oh wait, 142,082 and 152.59. This is on a service from Pontypridd to Barry Island. Last wheel! Catch on departure. Okay, departing now is 142,082 with a flat wheel and 152.59. Service from Pontypridd to Barry Island. Okay, passing through now, transport for Wales service from Aberdeen to Penarth. 142,085. Okay, arriving in now. It's 12:23 transport for Wales service from Island to Pontypridd. 283. And 143,610. Catch departure. Okay, departing now is the 12:23 transport for Wales service from Pontypridd. 152.83 and 143,610. I'm happy with you now. You transport for us a bit on Central, I think. Yep. I think. Yep, here it is. 251. Okay, passing through now, it's going to be the final trim of this video. It's a transport for Wales service from Penarth to Merthyr Tydfil. 143,608. So as that train passes through, I'm going to end my video from Treforest here. So thank you guys so much for watching my video from Treforest. If you have liked what you have seen here at Treforest, then please do like and subscribe. I can get back to the station as of when I can, so please do leave any comments and I can come back here. The passing trains here were really good. That train that jump scared me though. That whistle was so loud, it scared me so hard. Yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.